Alright, today we're opening packs. Alright.
That was not good. What did you get? Show them.
It's awful. Alright, we got this guy. Trash. Gengar. Not that good. Not that good. Not that good.
So you got a shot. Alright,
Yeah,
open
alright.
the next
Come
one.
on. Get some money.
I see two.
Money. Come on, yeah, get money. Alright, get this. This one. We gotta go raw luck. Put this in the front. That's the luck strap. Oh, I see something shiny. You see that? I see something. Bro got the trainer. All
We
trash.
spent
again.
$20 on